Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever selected a research topic but then got completely stuck because you didn't know what research questions to write or how to create research objectives? Many students think this is the hardest part of a thesis. The good news is that AI can help you generate high-quality research questions, objectives, and hypotheses in just a few minutes. But here's the important part. Don't copy the AI response directly. Instead, learn how to guide AI with the right prompts and then refine the results. In this video, I'll show you the complete process using one research topic. Let's begin. So, today's example research topic is impact of social media on youth. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create research questions, research objectives, research hypotheses using AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Step 1. Understand your research topic. Before asking AI to generate anything, you first need to understand your research topic. Most students skip this step. That is a mistake. Open ChatGPT and write this prompt. Explain the research topic, impact of social media on youth in simple academic language. Also identify the main variables involved. AI will explain that the study is mainly about understanding how social media influences young people. It may identify variables such as social media usage, academic performance, mental health, social behavior, screen time. Now explain to your audience. Variables are the things we want to study. For example, if we want to know whether social media affects students' grades, then social media usage is the independent variable. Academic performance is the dependent variable. Once you understand the variables, writing research questions becomes much easier. Step 2. Generate research questions. Now ask ChatGPT. Generate 10 research questions for the topic Impact of Social Media on Youth. AI may produce questions like, how does social media affect academic performance? What is the relationship between social media usage and mental health? Does excessive screen time reduce students' productivity? Which social media platforms are used most frequently by university students? Does educational use of social media improve learning? Now, explain something very important. A research question is simply the question your research is trying to answer. Think of it as the main problem you want to investigate. For example, if your research question is, does social media affect students' academic performance? Then your entire research will try to answer that one question using real data. Step 3. Generate research objectives. Now tell ChatGPT, create research objectives based on these research questions. AI may generate to examine the impact of social media on academic performance, to investigate the relationship between social media usage and mental health, to identify the most commonly used social media platforms among university students. Now explain to your viewers. Many students confuse research questions with objectives. Here's an easy way to remember. Research questions ask something. Research objectives tell us what the researcher plans to do. For example, question. Does social media affect academic performance? Objective. To examine the impact of social media on academic performance. Notice that the objective begins with action words, such as to examine, to investigate, to identify, to evaluate, to determine. Step 4. Generate research hypotheses. Next, ask ChatGPT, generate hypotheses for this research. AI may suggest H1. Social media usage significantly affects academic performance. H2. Excessive social media usage negatively affects mental health. H3. Educational use of social media positively influences learning outcomes. Now explain. A hypothesis is not a question. It is a prediction. You are predicting what relationship you expect to find before collecting the data. Later, after analyzing your questionnaire in SPSS or SmartPLS, you'll decide whether your hypothesis is accepted or rejected. Step 5. Improve the AI response. Never copy the first AI answer. Instead, continue the conversation. Ask prompts like, rewrite these questions in PhD-level academic language. Make these objectives SMART. Generate measurable hypotheses. Improve the grammar. You'll notice that every prompt makes the output better. Professional researchers rarely use the first AI response. They refine it several times. Step 6. Verify with research papers. Finally, open SciSpace or Consensus AI. Search your topic and compare your AI-generated questions with published research papers. If your questions are similar to recent studies, but also address a research gap, then you're on the right track. This step makes your research stronger and more credible. Congratulations! You now know how to generate professional research questions, objectives, and hypotheses using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates. In the next video, we'll learn how to find a research gap with AI, one of the most important steps in writing a successful thesis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.